Hello everyone, welcome to Iris Creation Limited, your go-to channel for creative design tips and tutorials. I am excited to show you how to create a professional and eye-catchy trifold brochure using Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced designer, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through the process to ensure your brochure not only looks amazing but also effectively communicates your messages. By the end of this video, you will have to the skill design brochures that stand out and captivate your audience. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of our future design tutorials. Now, let's jump into the Canva and get started. After create a page for a trifold brochure, from the element, let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it on the right corner of the page. And now for the frame, let's search Italian food. Let's take this picture and adjust it with the frame. Now take this shape and adjust it over the picture and keep the transparency low. Now give the picture effect from the edit panel. Take a rectangle shape or copy the shape and change the color in light yellow or a off-white color. Let's search a food background. Let's take this background and adjust it over the middle shape. Change the color in orange yellow. Keep it background. And now adjust this. Take a text box and type Italian food. Make it uppercase, change the font style. Change the color in white. Reduce the line spacing. Let's change the picture. Take this picture, now adjust it. Take a text box and type the text as a subtitle. Now take a text box, type the other text. Place it on the bottom side of the page. Now go to the element and search for a restaurant logo. Let's take this logo and change the color in white and adjust it over the text. Top of the right section. Now adjust this middle section. Take a text box and type the text. Take another text box and type the another text. Change the font color. Make it a light and give it a letter spacing. Take a text box and place it on the left corner. Change the color in black. Take another text box, type menu and change the menu font style in handwriting font. Again, copy this section and adjust it over the left section and type the drinks. From the element, take a line and adjust it under the text as an underline. Now go to the back page of the brochure and change the color in ash black. Paste the line and adjust it under the middle text. From the element, let's take a frame. Let's search a different kind of frame like brush frame. Let's take this frame. Copy this and adjust it here. From the photos, search other pictures about Italian food and adjust it with the frame. Paste the logo, adjust the text. Copy the frame and adjust it on the first page. Change the picture. Now take a text box and type the food name. Paste the dummy text and make it a light and smaller. From the element, take this rectangle shape, change the color in light yellow, orangish yellow, and take a text box and type the price of the food. Copy the shape and adjust it with the every food items. Paste the logo here, change the color in orange yellow. Now take a text box, type the drink's name. Change the color, paste the dummy text. Paste the dummy text here. Change the font style. Change the color. Keep this white color. Now take a text box and type contact us. Go to the element and search a location icon, phone icon and a wave icon. Make it smaller and adjust it one by one. Now take a text box. Change the icon colors first and take a text box and type the address, phone number and the web address. For the event, let's take this the same food background, change the color in orange and keep the transparency low and adjust it behind the all items. Paste the line under contact us. So it's done. Here it is, a food menu, rifle brochure for a restaurant. If you need this kind of design or any other design need you have, like a flyer design, brochure design, bifolder brochure design, presentation design, pitch decks or annual report card, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with INS Creation Limited.